Hello everyone, welcome to the day 3 of the IBM FlashSystem training. We have already covered the dashboard and the monitoring section in the previous training sessions. Today we will explore the pool section. As discussed last time, we are using IBM FlashSystem FS5200 in this training, and the GUI interface will be same across all IBM FlashSystem Storwize products such as FlashSystem 5000, FlashSystem 7000, FlashSystem 9000 family, or SVC, V9000 and V7000. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Entering the IP address will take us to the home page, which is the dashboard page.
So we were under pools. The first option, pool, will show me how many pools are created. We may have one pool, we may have more than one pool. So usually it is better to create one pool for one control enclosure. That way you have all the space in one area. You can create child pools to create reservation or to segregate space. Then this option on the top right, this allows me to view or to add more columns. So there is some default data which is available. Then I want to see more options. I can view, I can click on this option on the top right, and this will provide me what all columns I can add. And this option is available for each view. For example, by default, ID option is not there. So I can add ID. So my pool ID is 0. Volumes by pool, there is no volume created. I can create a volume. Create volume. This will show me dialog box for volume creation. There are three presets available: basic, mirrored, and custom. Basic is to create a volume. Mirrored, I create two copies of a single volume at the time of creation itself. Custom, I choose the presets for every stage. So basic, at this moment, no capacity saving is enabled. I can choose whether I want to create a thin provision, whether I want to create a compressed volume. If compression, usually nowadays NVMe drives are coming as compression enabled. So we don't need to select compression now because compression can be applied only once, which is already there at the hardware level. So you don't need to apply compression at the software level. Internal storage will show me the internal drives of the system. So there are 6 drives we know. For example, this shows 26.19 terabyte.
Drive capacity is there.
I go to the properties of this drive. So here we can see the raw capacity, 8.73 terabyte. But this 8.73 terabyte is capable of 26.19 terabyte.
Effective capacity.
So there is a hardware compression which is on the volume itself. This is NVMe drive. Tier 0 flash NVMe. Non-volatile.
Memory express.
Okay. So where were we? This is internal. Then if there is any external storage connected to your flash system, that will appear as, like, after the zoning, the storage will appear immediately. So once you have done the zoning with the backend storage and flash system, the storage will immediately appear on the system. It will appear as controller 0 by default. And that external storage will appear here under the external storage section on the pools. So here we have one pool which is having 6 internal drives. Those 6 internal drives, RAID is created on that, and one MDisk is created. So it is showing me MDisk by pool. There is one MDisk added to the pool. If we want to migrate a volume from external storage to IBM Flash System, we will use this wizard, import external storage. It allows us to perform the migration.